Alright guys, this is another job I'm coming back on it. The service valve is leaking, so we're going to change the service valve with the freon in it. He said it's still working, but I tightened the cap really tight. So we'll see if I can get it going, and I'm going to show you how to use these. And I'll put the link in the description for it, and we'll get on it. Alright guys, we're going to take this. I want to try something. Try my sniffer on here. It's still leaking. Yeah, it's still leaking, man. It's still leaking. Look at that. You see that in there, guys? You still see it bubbling in there. Alright. Put that on there. Yeah, came right out, guys. It's been simple. Alright guys, just want to show you how it works. I put a new valve in there, and this kit comes with high side and low side valve, and it comes with if you don't need to, and you could just use this one instead. You don't have to use these. So it does come with a valve removal tool, high side and low side. As you can see, it does come with new valves. So this one was low side that was leaking, and I already have one on there. It sticks really good. So when you take it out, you leave it open like this, and then first you connect it. Of course, you connect it right, and then you pull it all the way to the top, and then you close the valve, right, and then you screw this off, right. Make sure you close the valve. It's gonna be a little bit of freon pop through, not much, just a tiny bit, and then you take it out. And then you put a new valve in, and you stick it back in, tighten it back up, all the way back up. Make sure, because it's going to leak if you open that valve. And then push it in there, and then open this valve. After you get it in, you got to open that valve, pull it through, and then screw it in. And I just kept on screwing until you could feel it when you're screwing it in. You could feel it get tight in there. So, all right. And I'll put the link in the description for this. Okay, I'll put the link in the description for this whole kit. All right, it's not too expensive. All right, I'm gonna screw this back on. Okay, it's getting tight there, so that's good. It's on there. Make sure it's getting tight. All right, it's tight. Pull it out. Shut this off. Lose some of the pressure. Alright guys, it's all done. I guess it got stuck. It's not leaking. So, alright, should be good. Alright guys, I'll leave a link in the description for the stuff for you. And a sniffer, double check. And yeah, it's all set. Zap's up.